Hello students, I'm back with the topic ill effects of smoking on the human health for the life processes, chapter 1 for class 10th. Tobacco is derived from the dried and cured leaves of the young branches of tobacco plant. Its botanical name is Nicotiana tabacum. It is mainly taken in the form of smoking, chewing or sniffing. Tobacco smoke contains a number of toxic chemicals like the carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nicotine and nitrosodimethylamine and benzopyrene, etc. Tobacco smoking is associated with the several ill effects on the human health, including the following. Number first, it causes the lip cancer, mouth cancer and lung cancer. About 95% of the victims of the lung cancers are associated with smoking. So smokers have high risk of the cancer than the non-smokers. Secondly, tobacco smoke causes the irritation and inflammation of the lining of the throat and bronchi, which causes the coughing and bronchitis also. Thirdly, nicotine and the sulfur dioxide inactivate the cilia of the respiratory tract, causing the phlegm to accumulate in the respiratory tract. Next, that is, tobacco smoke is known as the cause of inflammation of the lung alveoli and disruption of the elastic tissues, thus decreasing the surface area involved in the gaseous exchange. This condition leads to the disease called the emphysema. Rather than it also produces the monoxide, that is the carbon monoxide of tobacco smoke rapidly blinds hemoglobin and decreases its oxygen carrying capacity, a condition called the carbon monoxide poisoning. In this, no free hemoglobin is left for the transportation of the oxygen, so death is a possibility. And lastly, tobacco smoke simultaneous its secretion of the adrenaline, which increases the rate of the heartbeat and blood pressure, which may cause the cardiovascular diseases also.